E36 V8. Haven't done a video on this in a long time. Just about when we got the engine in and we started doing videos on it, I bought the Defender and I got super distracted by it because my brain can only focus on one thing at a time. So I kind of just ignored it and left it there and forgot about it. But recently, all I've been thinking of is driving this thing. Basically, my goal is I want this on the road for the summer. So I better get to work. The last you saw of it, we got the engine in. So it is currently sat in there, looking mank. We have done a few things since then, so I'll talk you through it. All right, so basically my thinking was to get motivation on this again, I kind of wanted to hear it start. It's an unknown engine. I don't know if it starts, I don't know if it works. Once I hear it fire, then I'll be stoked and then I'll start moving forward with it. So that's what we did. I've got this wiring harness. So we got this, which connects the E36 to the V8. The fuel lines are connected up. We put oil in it. We got all the alternator, starter, fuse box. We had power to the chassis, so we tried to crank it and nothing happened. So then we figured out it was a starter motor. So the starter wasn't firing. It was like clicking out, but it wasn't spinning. So then I had to order a new starter motor. So we got that, we put that in, tried again, cranked, didn't start. So at least we had crank this time. We got a bunch of the boys round and we tried to figure out what went wrong. So we did manage to get it started. It was kind of funny. You've probably seen the clip already if you follow us on TikTok. I filmed it, so I'll put it in now.
Crank it. Right, hang on, man. Oh, oh. Fucking hell, shit at me.
Holy shit.
It's pissing fuel out, so it's getting this live as well, so that's it.
Go again.
Let me get a Jubilee.
No, it needs Jubilee there.
Oh my god! Yeah, it's live. Done. Fucking Jesus Christ.
That's it.
Nice. So it's literally just that relay?
Yeah. So basically, these bunch of wires here, they should all be live when they're all earth.
Oh, that's all coming from that one relay?
Yeah, so this should flick over and give that, and it's not. So we need to look into that.
Sick.
Andy, do a bit of spray again, man.
Say no more. Start your
He
bastard.
still might not be getting the signal.
Give us some more
to
start
eject us.
bastard then.
With a nice steady flow.
Right.
Come on, man.
Fucking hell.
Keep going, Jack. Keep going. 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 It's still on fire. Still going. Oh, Christ. No, you think you're bad? Look at me. My eyebrows are crusted.
I can smell your burnt tash. I actually just torched you in the face.
My tash is burning.
So first of all, we had a fuel leak from the back of the rail. So that dripped fuel on the floor. The backfire set fire to that. So that's why we had the fire extinguisher. That foam in the fire extinguisher is like really corrosive. So we had to pull the car out and like wash everything. It was just so long. But yeah, basically Andy was just firing brake cleaner into there. It wasn't even cranking at that point because Stu hadn't turned the key and it was just filling up with brake cleaner. So then when it fired, it backfired and just blew it up out of that into Andy's face and Jack's face. But it started for a little bit. There's two relays in here and they're not getting power. One of them powers the injectors and one of them powers the fuel pump. So Dan was just firing 12 volts into both. But I don't think the injector one was working. It was getting fuel, but it wasn't firing the injectors. So that start, when it cranked and like started up, that was just burning off brake cleaner. So that's why it didn't stay running, that's the word. But yeah, it started, so I'm stoked. I've basically decided I'm gonna pull the engine back out, I'm gonna do all the gaskets, I'm gonna refresh it. I found a new guy, he completely converts these looms to work with E36s, so you have to give him the loom. I don't really like all this stuff with the adapter anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna take a loss on that and I'm gonna get this wiring loom out, send it off to him. I think that's where I'm at with it. So I am now gonna pull this loom out because I need to ship it off. I'm leaving for America in 3 days. I want that being done whilst I'm away. So let's pull the loom out. I started putting the loom and my head was all over the shop and I just couldn't be bothered, so I waited for the boys to get here. So, and I've had a haircut. This loom's gonna be a pain in the ass, so we're gonna have to get the engine out.
Can you give me an update of what's going on?
I'm sending that loom off.
Right.
So I need to take the loom out. The whole engine loom.
Everything you got, you're sending someone.
Yeah.
They're redoing it.
Yeah.
And you're just telling them 36 V8 and he's gonna do everything.
Yeah.
So plug it in.
Yeah, and there's no mank little adapter
Did
harness.
you not buy something?
I bought the adapter harness.
And that don't work?
It does sort of work, but I don't like it.
It's a bit mank, isn't it?
Okay.
It's a bit mank. So we need to take every single thing out of that engine.
Everything off, and we'll do that with the engine out.
Yeah.
But we don't have to take the engine out.
Next, next fun thing, my engine crane stopped working. So we've got a pretty mank way of doing it, haven't we?
My baby food was crushed.
Oh my god, what's going on?
Oh my god, this is late.
That was an absolute slut.
Look at the bit, can't
Because this engine ram has stopped jacking up. So we can get it up high if we move it manually, but it doesn't jack up. So we just do it with a ratchet strap. Let's start stripping this down.
Just get it like to one side, just like tidy. There we go. What's up to you then?
That's to the starter.
Can you undo that, shall you?
Yeah. Oh, fuck me, yeah.
Elite level crisps.
They are the best crisps in the world.
I said elite level.
Discos, squares, and these.
Best drink in the world.
Oh! No! Asahi is the best drink in the world.
Get out!
Yeah, bro, I'll punch you in the fucking head.
You stoked to come once now. You got your little munchie there. Ah, they're clipped.
Then a clip.
Yeah.
How the fuck did you get rid of them?
You've got to unclip them at the injectors.
Oh, I cannot wait to clean this engine. It's so scabby. Look at all the shit down there. Might actually send the injectors off as well.
Them clean?
Yeah.
I would. Fucking hell.
Would you?
No. Where's else of this round?
You'd buy a spark plug, Jack.
Right there, yeah. Be easy on that though.
So what are these? Pull the injectors out.
Yeah.
That doesn't sound very good.
It's just because they've never come out before. There you go.
What's wrong with this now then?
Well, we need to get this side off.
Why do you need to get that side off?
Well, because we need to take off the coil packs.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, you want to see the shit down there.
It's quite fun actually.
It is, isn't it?
Group building exercise.
It's not going to be fun putting it back together.
What? You're using the exact same...
That's around the V8. No, just the top. Just the top.
Oh, you fucking dirty rat.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
Wash your asshole as well, that's right.
Such a comical fart as well. Yeah. Don't ever do that again.
There we go.
It's got the perfect trajectory set up now. Just rip it apart.
Oh, that's so easy.
Done.
Right, that's rats.
Yeah.
That's gotta be rats, isn't it?
Oh my
Alright, so we've got the loom. Should we get rid of it? So this is the harness adapter that I bought and it is just mank.
Get that off.
So we need to get that off. Do we need all these sensors to go with him?
No, I shouldn't need the sensors.
Oh, it's pissing now! I know it's not. You fucking idiot. It's snowing.
It's raining?
No, it's hailing.
That's actually hail.
That's not hail, it's snow.
It's hail.
No, hail's like salt, isn't it? Like rocks. That's snow.
I can hear it.
Yeah, snow has a sound.
Snow does not have a sound.
No, look, that's snow. Look.
That's hail, you crackhead.
No, look, it's melting in my hand. That is snow.
Should we call it a hybrid?
Hybrid snow. Take me with you.
This engine is going to clean up real good, I reckon. I sent off to BMW the biggest parts list. Basically every single gasket for this engine. MAF, because I'm missing a MAF. Fan, clutch, a few other bits, and it came to 1,500 quid. Just for some gaskets and 2 parts. Yeah. I'll source some cheaper bits elsewhere where I don't need to go genuine, but every single gasket I'm going to go genuine. Let's do it. Let's take it off.
Yeah, someone can actually clean inside there.
Yeah.
When we've pulled it up, it's all just gone.
You ought to see my eBay. Oh, you fucking.
How do I get that off?
Oh, that pushes out.
Oh, baby.
So you need to hoover them before we turn it, like you ever turn it over, do you know what I mean?
Oh my god.
Let's have a look.
Look at what's in them valves. So I'm pretty sure we've got some fur there.
That's stones, man. Right.
That's stones in the on the valve.
Yeah.
Hey! That's
Yeah. So.
All right, update. We spoke to Dan, and he reckons it should be fine. We're just gonna tape a bit of fuel hose to the hoover, take some spark plugs out, shove it in there, suck it all out, because that's only fallen in there from all the shit after we took the intake off, so
Should be fine.
should be fine. But I haven't got any fuel hose, so that'll be the next video, along with a bunch of other shit, because we've got a million things to do now. Right, so we've just stripped this down. We've got the injectors there, we've got the adapter harness there that I'm not going to use, and then we've got the M60 loom, which I'm going to shove in a box and send off. Not much progress on the V8 in this video, but we know what we're doing with the engine. I just got to order a bunch of parts, and then in the next video we'll actually have loads of shit to do. So this video was kind of just getting like reacquainted. What we got?
Little sandy beanie. They are banging. Lovely and warm. And great colour.
Little BQR tag there.
Plain and simple.
Yep. So if you want to win that, all you got to do is drop a comment. Comment ideas.
Oh, God.
Whoa.
How far would you go with that V8 engine?
Yeah.
Should we just clean it, put some gaskets, put it in, get it running?
What colour cam covers should he do?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. I'm going to take these off, send them for powder coating. Andy reckons black, I reckon grey, because it's OEM. Jack reckons red, because he has no taste.
Silver.
You reckon silver?
Yeah, I reckon silver.
Black.
Everything in it.
No, black block, silver cam covers.
Have I announced a car show yet? Car meet?
No.
I have now. 13th of August is the next BQR meet, so drop a comment if you're coming. Comment anything. Tell us your favourite film. Drop a comment down below, you'll win that beanie, and I will see you in America in 2 weeks. I'll see you in 7 weeks.
Yeah, long time.
I haven't booked fly home yet, so I don't know when I'm going to be back, but
Yeah.
I will see you guys in the next video, which is next Sunday. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you later, boys. Ta-da.